Okay guys, the best dropshipping niches in quarter 4. In a second here, I'm gonna take you guys inside of my computer. I'm the Ecom boss and we're gonna go inside of my PC. I'm gonna show you guys how to utilize Google Trends, which niches that I think, products, niches, etc. that I think we're gonna sell a lot and make a ton of money in quarter 4. That's what we're gonna do in today's video. John is coming over with the camera tomorrow as well, so we'll have better camera and microphone tomorrow. So one thing I'm gonna bring up again now is consulting call, free consulting call giveaway winner. So if you wanna win a free 30-minute consulting call giveaway in the next video, make sure you comment something interesting in the comments. You like this video, you gotta press the like and subscribe to my channel. I will be checking. If you guys do all of that, you might be able to win this call. So Q4 guys, it's coming up. We're gonna go into PC, but you need to know what to sell, because in this I'm probably gonna go a little bit against myself, because I said certain things you guys should not sell, for example, that could actually work selling in Q4. Maybe something a little bit saturated, obviously not too saturated, but it's gonna be a super interesting take on products you guys should be selling in quarter 4. So make sure you like the video and subscribe. And if you want to get into my dropshipping coaching program, you can message me on Instagram here. And if you just want to follow my Instagram, it's also awesome. And yeah guys, I think that's about it. There's no point wasting any time. Let's just get inside of my computer. Okay guys, first of all, I have Fiverr open because in the next video I'm actually gonna do a video with someone finding winning products for me on Fiverr. So I've been dropshipping for a long time, and besides that, I've actually been coaching people for a year now while dropshipping on my own stores too. So you guys, I've been working with a lot of people, so I know how people break through. I know everything about this, and from what I can say guys, it's just don't just consume this. It's a beautiful sunset out today. Don't just consume this thing. Make sure you actually take action. Because what I'm gonna say, my breakthroughs from people I work with, I've helped, myself including, it's been on Q4, dude. Like, the thing is, Q4 is your biggest opportunity. And if you're just gonna sit here without taking action, it's gonna be a problem. I tell you guys, quarter 4 is the quarter that could change everything for you guys. Success rate is higher. It's easier to test products. It will always be hard, but quarter 4 is your opportunity, guys. So, the best niches for quarter 4 2020. So first of all, let's go over some statistics. I just searched this up. I'm not gonna claim that I actually know this, so don't get me wrong if it's wrong, but US e-commerce sales reached $187 billion in 2019. That's a lot of money for just 2019, and it's also got up 16% from 160 billion last year, which was 2018, and that wasn't last year, that was 2 years ago. What I'm gonna say is e-commerce sales have been increasing by 16% over just 1 year. Like from 2018 it was 160 billion, and last year it was 187 billion. So probably looking at over 200 billion to this year. So the market is huge, guys. The market is huge. Let me show you guys an example here real quick. So quarter 4 is the real deal here. If you look at the smartwatch, I've showed this product in a lot of my videos earlier. You guys can see it always peaks in December. So it's like it's laying flat like 20, and then we come to December. A lot of people buy it. Come to November, December, they buy. November, December, they buy. So this is just like a really good pointer for you guys to sort of like understand which types of products is gonna sell. So you guys need to figure that out when you're going into a niche. Research a niche a little bit. So we're gonna make this one white right now. So passionate people, they will always spend on their passions. No matter what, dude. If you're a golfer, you'll spend money on golfing. The only thing is, for example, golfers, they will probably not buy from your online store. They will buy from a real brand. That's what you need to figure out. So you need to figure out something else that's passionate. You don't want to sell stuff to, for example, football players, soccer players, because they know where to get their stuff. They get it from professional places. But for example, a painter, someone that's interested in art, just like a hobby, they could probably buy something for you. But some people, they will always get the best, so they won't buy from you. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. They will probably go for brands. People spend so much money on their passion. People buy gifts for themselves all the time. And when people are buying gifts for other people too, if someone knows I'm really passionate about basketball, which I'm not, but if someone knew that I was really passionate about basketball, they could probably buy stuff like that for Christmas for me, as a gift. So passion is definitely going to score huge in quarter 4. I'm going to open this one now. And healthcare is hot. Healthcare, it will always be hot. Keep in mind, guys, this is my notes, so don't judge me if it sounds weird. But healthcare will always be on top. It's my favorite niche. There's just so many problems to be solved in healthcare. Keep in mind, healthcare doesn't have to be necessarily, taking care of your organs or anything like that. It could be more, like getting in shape, losing this, losing that, removing this, just feeling better in general. It could be supplements. That's a type of healthcare. It's not something I would sell. Massagers, that's also a type of healthcare. Just a lot of cool products, just like the massage gun last year score really big. Healthcare is gonna be a super cool niche. Everyone should be in healthcare. Healthcare is always gonna be the best. Just ask Dan Pena, he always says healthcare is the best. There are a couple of other good niches too, but healthcare can really make a lot of money. Like one thing that we did a couple of years ago for my family in Christmas, that was a long time ago though, like everyone got a massage. It was a back massage. It was like 10 years ago, so it was quite new, so it was untapped, you know what I mean? Everyone got like a back massager, and we actually used it a lot. So healthcare, super good product. And this is the thing, guys, if you don't know exactly what to buy for someone, maybe you just buy them a massager, I don't know. But if you don't know exactly what they want, you could just go in healthcare and figure out something that's cool. Or like a face mask for a girl you don't really know, but you got to give her a gift. It's also a good way to go, you know what I mean? What to buy for family members you don't know too well is what I just covered. Listen to this. So if you have a girl in your family and you don't, for example, this girl you don't really know, right? And but you have to buy her a gift because she's your cousin or something, but you don't really know her. So what you would do in that case, probably just to buy face mask, buy some makeup, just buy some basic stuff that you know every girl likes. So that's something you guys could sell too. You could try to target the people that has, you obviously can't check that on Facebook. You could try to target people that has someone in their family they don't know what to buy for them, and they just buy something random like a face mask. Skincare, the perfect gift for a girl. It will always be good, so might as well run in Q4. Skincare, I can't stress this enough. It's my favorite niche. It's always been skincare and healthcare. These niches have so many awesome products, and they are actually super innovative too, which means the acne remover is saturated. We've seen the acne remover a million times on the internet. Like, who's not seen an acne remover or a blackhead remover? We've seen it. But the thing is, the skincare niche on Ali, for some reason, they can always just be super innovative and just find new ways of doing the blackhead. So 5 years ago, you had just a normal blackhead remover, but this year we have a blackhead remover with camera showing what's going on inside, and we have, for example, tools that could go inside your skin, take this thing out, fill it in. I don't know how it works. I'm not a skincare expert, but skincare is super cool. There's so many awesome products. Like, for example, last year I had a guy in my coaching selling the mole remover. He had a 71 or 72% net profit margin, and he made like 50 grand in 1 month just selling the mole remover. And keep in mind, he almost profited every dollar selling the mole remover. And a year ago, the mole remover was new because it was around this time. It was probably like early November, and he was selling the mole remover like crazy because people probably not comfortable in their skin, so they'll buy that as a Christmas gift for themselves. You guys need to understand that Christmas gifts, everyone has an uncle or someone that says like he bought a Christmas gift for himself. Everyone buys a gift for himself usually, so you could target people that just buys their own Christmas gift, and also people that buys gift for other people, because I will buy my own gift, but I'll also buy gifts for other people in my family, you know what I mean? What I'm trying to say is like skincare will certainly be the best niche combined with healthcare. Those two is just gonna be awesome niches. So what is really easy to tell over this presentation here is that skincare and healthcare, they're both problem solving niches. So you guys already see the factor problem solving. But wow factor is more like, spending on your passion. Back to the part where I was talking about people spending money on their passions. You don't want to target people as pro athletes because they will just, buy from the big brands. But there we have a small passion like painting, for example. This product, I have someone in my coaching now doing well with it. This is a great product once again because, it's for passionate people, but these people probably not, and keep in mind, I'm not an expert in painting. Someone watching probably gonna argue against me, but just look at it like this, right? Golfers, they will buy real equipment from a real brand. But painters, there might not be too many big brands, so they will just buy something based on their passion for Q4, and this is like awesome painting product for someone that's interested in painting. So this is one thing you could do, is selling for passionate people. Let's unlock one more because I think we're about to have something cool here. A lot of people, and this one is huge, but people seem to overlook it all the time. A lot of people focus on fitness in January, that's for sure. Fitness gifts are shared every Christmas. I think getting in shape niche might score good. Definitely, the getting in shape niche is gonna score good. And here you guys see, I was talking about the Apple Watch trend here, so you guys could see earlier, smartwatch, call it whatever you want, always increases at Q4. And this is one thing you guys could do with another product too, right? You could just see like, okay, I found a fishing product, should I run it now? When is fishing actually hot? And you see, this is hot in May. So this is something like, nah, we're not gonna do this. We definitely not gonna do this thing. And then we could search for example, barbecue, because this is gonna be an obvious one, right? If we search for barbecue, it's gonna be big in June, summer. So you don't want to sell a barbecue product, so make sure you utilize Google Trends to try to find your products. So getting in shape niche is super big. Everyone after New Year said they're gonna start getting in shape. They work out for 2 weeks and then they quit, but that doesn't matter. You still sold them the product. So in my family at least, there's always workout stuff. I'm not necessarily saying workout, but like running, fitness, stuff like that. Fitness is huge in Christmas. My 3 go-to niches here will be probably healthcare, skincare, fitness, and toys. I already exposed it. So the next one here is gonna be home gym equipment tool. Goes kind of hand in hand with fitness, but this is products that's always gonna sell for someone in your family that likes to work out. Home workout stuff, just to fix your biceps. You can get this big, just like me. Home gym equipment, pretty good niche. I would say I'll definitely go for that one as well. It's pretty good. But that is saturated though. And then you might say healthcare is also saturated. Yeah, but healthcare is way bigger, right? Skincare is way bigger. They're also saturated, but there's so much space in those niches compared to just home gym equipment. So the last one is gonna be sell awesome toys for kids. So I know, guys, I always say selling toys for kids is the worst thing you could ever do, but for real, dude, like, I'm thinking Q4 is gonna score big. Parents starting to shop online. Looked a little bit at the statistics. I don't remember exactly what it was, but parents starting to shop online. A couple of people I worked with found some awesome toys in the kid niche earlier. I'm not gonna expose the products now because these guys they're obviously working with me, so I can't expose it. But those toys are super good. And these are for kids, right? And they're gonna score big, dude. Especially if it comes in a lot of colors and everything. No, the color doesn't have anything to do with how the product works, but just it looks appealing, right? You want to click through on it because of all the colors. But so many cool toys can be found on AliExpress for kids. I'm not talking about the adult toys. toys. There's so many cool toys, so I'll probably get into that niche too, because parents, you know, they browse Facebook every day, and if they see something cool, or you could even be grandparents, dude, and they'll just buy this product for their kids. So these are my best niches. Gonna be home gym equipment tools, and it's gonna be toys, and I would also do, you know, workout fitness type thing, but it goes kind of hand in hand with home gym equipment. And then we have, for example, healthcare and skincare. Argue as much as you want, guys, but in my opinion, this is the best niche for Q4. If you're into this to make a lot of money, go for these niches. These niches work, but don't jump on something that's super saturated, right? Always make sure you utilize the Google Trends thing when trying to look for products as well. Wishing you guys all the best, guys. I believe in every single one of you guys watching. You make this thing happen. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you click a like on this video. I would appreciate it a lot. In the next video, I have a better camera and microphone, most likely, if John can come with it. And yeah, subscribe and like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.